Hello guys, welcome back to my channel called Nanotech. Today I have a phone, Samsung Galaxy A04. This phone, you can see the battery is damaged. This battery is up, and now I will operation on this phone. So this is A04 phone. First I have to remove the SIM tray. All this phone now is lithium battery is damaged like this. Huawei and iPhone, Samsung, iPhone, all this phone is like this problem. So first we have to remove the SIM tray. Now I will remove the case. So you try this at home, maybe your battery will be work 100%. Okay, first I have to remove the case. So this is little bit hard to remove this back cover. What is the option to open this? It's getting very tight because the battery is damaged. If do not battery very tight like this, is easily open. Have to open this slowly because the battery is very tight now, and this case is getting more tight. So guys, this plastic throw, we have to open this slowly because the case is more tight now. See, the battery is very tight. See the phone, very dangerous now. So I have to turn off the phone. So guys, I take a safety pin like this and do operation. And get all the air from inside, and now become its normally battery. Now power on the phone, and you can see phone is working. So you can fix your phone like this in your home. So now I return back the cover, and now you can see the cover is easily get fitting, and not like before. Now is good. Return back SIM tray, and phone is perfectly working now. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon for next video notification. See you later.